Our planet, once a cradle of pristine beauty, now bears the scars of humanity's impact. From the Arctic's melting ice caps to the Amazon's dwindling forests, Earth is changing, and not for the better. Climate change, a term we've heard countless times, is not just a distant threat. It is here, altering the fabric of life as we know it. In this journey, we explore the science, the stories, and the solutions that define our planet's most pressing crisis. At its core, climate change is driven by the greenhouse effect. Gases like carbon dioxide and methane trap heat in our atmosphere, disrupting the delicate balance that sustains life. Industrialization, deforestation, and fossil fuel consumption have accelerated this process, pushing Earth into uncharted territory. Scientists warn that we are nearing critical tipping points where the damage may become irreversible. Rising sea levels are among the clearest signs of a warming world. As glaciers and ice sheets melt, and as oceans expand due to heat, coastal communities face an existential threat. Places like Miami and Jakarta are on the front lines, fighting to hold back the encroaching seas. The question is not if they will be affected, but when and how profoundly. Weather patterns once predictable have grown chaotic. Hurricanes gain strength from warmer waters, while prolonged droughts parch farmlands and threaten food security. In a world increasingly shaped by climate extremes, no corner remains untouched by the fury of a destabilized atmosphere. The Arctic, a region of unparalleled beauty, is warming at twice the global average. Ice, once thought eternal, now vanishes with alarming speed. This not only endangers iconic species like polar bears, but also accelerates climate change, as reflective ice is replaced by heat-absorbing waters. The Amazon, often called the lungs of our planet, plays a vital role in regulating Earth's climate. Yet deforestation for agriculture and logging is decimating this vital ecosystem. Each tree lost weakens our planet's ability to breathe, pushing us closer to environmental collapse. Climate change is not just an environmental issue, it is a humanitarian crisis. Millions are already being displaced by rising seas, desertification, and extreme weather. Climate refugees, a term that was once hypothetical, are now a stark reality, challenging nations to rethink borders and compassion. Beneath the waves lies another tragedy, the loss of coral reefs. These underwater cities teem with life, supporting a quarter of marine species. But rising ocean temperatures and acidification are bleaching reefs, threatening marine biodiversity and the livelihoods of millions who depend on them. From the Arctic Circle to the global south, those who have contributed the least to climate change often bear the greatest burden. Indigenous peoples, farmers, and small island nations are fighting to protect their homes and traditions. Their resilience offers both lessons and hope in a warming world. Amid the crisis, innovation shines as a beacon of hope. Renewable energy technologies, from solar panels to wind turbines, are transforming how we power our lives. Cities are reimagining urban spaces to reduce emissions, and new agricultural practices aim to feed the world sustainably. Policy remains a cornerstone of climate action. Agreements like the Paris Accord set ambitious goals, but progress depends on political will and international cooperation. Leaders must choose between bold action and the catastrophic consequences of inaction. Around the world, young voices are rising. Movements like Fridays for Future demand accountability and urgent action from governments and corporations. These youth, armed with passion and determination, remind us that the fight for our planet's future is far from over. While mitigation remains vital, adaptation is equally crucial. Coastal defenses, resilient infrastructure, and innovative farming techniques are helping communities withstand the impacts of climate change. These efforts demonstrate human ingenuity, but they also underscore the immense challenges ahead. As temperatures rise, countless species face extinction. Habitat loss, altered ecosystems, and shifting climates threaten the delicate web of life on Earth. Protecting biodiversity is not just about saving animals. It is about preserving the systems that sustain us all. Every choice we make, from the food we eat to the energy we consume, shapes the future of our planet. Individual actions may seem small, but collectively they hold the power to drive monumental change. The story of climate change is not yet written. While the challenges are immense, so too is the capacity for human creativity and resilience. The time to act is now. Together, we can forge a path toward a sustainable, equitable, and thriving future. The question is, will we? Our planet, a fragile oasis in the vastness of space, depends on us. Let this be the moment we choose to safeguard its future.